Hello, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to be productive in your day. How can you spend a day to be productive and how you can do your tasks within a time deadline and you feel that you did something that day. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about those steps in detail and how I spend my day on daily basis while I was not working and while I was wanted to achieve something and wanted to start my career. So what I did different from other people, so I was able to achieve the thing I plan out for myself and for my future. So let's just talk about it. So let me tell you, first thing and the most important thing is that you have to plan out your day. And I'm not talking about the long term plan and long term goals for your life. I'm talking about day to day thing. So for that what you have to do, you have to plan out your day. For that you have to plan out your day the day before. When are you going to sleeping the day before? You have to think about the tasks, and it would be better if you write it down your goals in a book or even in your mobile. So just write it down. Don't make a very long list of your tasks or whatever you want to do that the next day. But what you have to do, you have to just write three to, I think three would be fine, because you have to focus on the main tasks you want to achieve and want to do the next day, and want to make your day more productive. So you have to write it down only three for now, three goals initially, and for next day to do list, and then just sleeping, because you just preparing your mind that I'm going to do that thing the next day. So next day when you wake up, just first what you have to do now, it doesn't mean that just right away when you wake up just start working on your task. No, it's not like that. When you wake up, just do your exercise and do meditation, take a deep breath, and just do your breakfast if and go out in the balcony and take a fresh air. And then after doing the breakfast, what you have to do, first thing I would prefer, and I did that, and whenever I get the time I do that when you wake up, just do the journaling. Whatever going on in your mind, just write it down on the notebook you have, and just I would say that keep hide this the notebook from your family or your sibling or your friends, everyone, because it's between you and your thoughts. So just whatever is going on in your mind, just write it down in your notebook. It doesn't matter, it's about your career. If someone hurts your feeling, or if you hurt someone feeling, just write it down in that notebook. Trust me guys, when you do this, so your mind will be at calm and you'll feel very relaxed and don't think about that thing again. And even when you write it down those things, so your mind will guide you how to solve this problem, and how to communicate with that person while you writing and while you doing journaling. I've been doing this right now. Nowadays I don't get the time for it, but whenever I get the time, I try to do journaling as much as possible. So, why I'm saying this? This is very important because if you want to make your day productive, so your mind should be very calm and relaxed and very fresh and clear. So you have to do the journaling for that. Then the first thing what you have to do, I would prefer and I would suggest that just go through your to-do list you made last night before going to sleep. So you have to go through this, and what you have to do, I would prefer and I would suggest, do the most tough or hard tasks first, because in the beginning of the day your mind is fresh and your mind has so much ideas in your mind at that time. So I would prefer and I would always do that just start your day or your tasks to do list with that task, and just give the proper art by on doing that task, and just don't care about anything at that time and put your mobile on sleep mode, and just don't care about anyone and just focus with full dedication. Just do that task. You can't even believe it. When you done with the task, you will be surprised with your creativity and the mind, and the ideas you put into that work. So trust me guys, without routine you will not be able to achieve anything or any task in your life or in your whatever task you set for yourself. So the next thing is, as I told you, just focus on 2 to 3 tasks, or just decide what is very important for you. What task is important? Either you want to learn some skill, so start that your day with that task, and just don't worry if you have to give 1 more hour or 2 hours on that task, because this will really help you to achieve your goal and to progress in your career and whatever course you are doing and learning that skill. So you have to just do that task with full dedication, and you have to be patient as well. And then what you have to do after giving a very important or very productive hours, 2 3 hours in your task. So now it's time to take a break. It's really important. Otherwise, if you start continuing and start doing the next task, your mind will not be fresh at all, and you have to stuck, and you will be frustrated at some point. So you really need to take a break and have some, you could say, light snack. And then again, after doing that, if you want to rest for 5 to 15 minutes, you can do that as well, and then get back to your tasks again. And then it's time to do the rest of the tasks. Now it's easy tasks as compared to the first task, which is very important for you, which was very important for you at that time. So you have to now move to the rest of the time. Then do it with calmly and don't pressurize yourself. And you really need to don't need to think about any other thing again. Just focus on your tasks and date. And just, it doesn't mean that you have to spend a lot of hours and 9 to 10 hours daily to fulfill your tasks. No, I'm not in favor of those things. 5 to 6 hours, at least 5 hours in a day, productive uh, or focus hours is much better than spending the 9 to 10 hours all day and doing nothing and just worrying about and frustrating yourself about the task. So no, I'm not in favor of that. And then just complete your tasks by, I would prefer by 3 or 4 in the day, and just enjoy your day afterwards. How you can do it? Just go to go for outing, spend some time with your family. If you like some sports, just join some academy or go to the park for fresh air. It's really important because we just get involved in so much tasks that we don't get the time to go out and enjoy ourselves. It's really important to enjoy yourself as well. Otherwise, at some point, your mind will be burnt out, and you will feel stressed out totally, and you will not be able to achieve and do anything in your future. So it's really important. I know I did a very extreme working hours tasks while I was doing my tasks on daily basis. So yeah, I regret it. Why did I pressurize myself that much? I didn't enjoy my time at that time. But now I learned my lesson and try to give a lot of time after completing my tasks and watch Netflix and then go to a park for fresh air and spend some time and socializing. Do socializing as well is really important for your career as well. And trust me guys, you will really enjoy it at some point. And then it's really important that after socializing, eat your dinner on time, right before Maghrib, or you could say before sunset, and right after sunset it would be better. It will be very beneficial for your metabolism or digestive system as well. So you really need to sleep on time. And then what you have to do, just again, as I told you, the more main important thing is, if you don't plan out your day before, you will not be able to do the things or do the task the next day with full timely. So you have to do this. And the most important thing, and the last but not the least, is consistency. You have to do this thing with full commitment and full consistency on daily basis, at least for 3 months. I am not giving you a very long term deadline. If you do this thing for at least 3 months, you have no idea how much you can achieve by the time while you completing this task or this routine after completing the 3 months. So you have to be honest with yourself and committed yourself. And if you really serious about to achieve those goals you set for yourself, trust me guys, at some point after 1 week or 2 week, you will start enjoying this routine. And if you don't get the time or plan out your day, you feel frustrated and stressed out, because sometimes your guests come into your home, and your siblings and your mother or your parents demands from you to go with them outside for anything. So at that time you will miss that routine. So you have to be productive and be honest with yourself. Trust me guys, without making a routine and without planning out your day, you are not able to do anything. Trust me, you will thank me later. If you really want, you are serious about this thing, so do it, or tell me about your experience, how you gonna do it. And I'm also trying to following this routine on daily basis. So but nowadays my routine is quite disturbed, because I sleep late at night, because I spend a lot of time on doing some stuff, watching YouTube tutorials for related to my field right now, because I have a very keen interest on this. But I'm not happy with myself that I'm spending a lot of time and I'm is waking up till late night. So yeah, I'm working on that routine, and I'm very hopeful that by the next week I will get back to my routine and be productive as I'm suggesting you to do it. So because I believe in myself, because I did it before as well, and I know I'm so much confident and I will do it in again. to achieve my goals and the target I set my the target and the goals I set for myself. So that's it for now. Hope you like this video, and don't worry, I will come up with this kind of video frequently in future days or next day soon. So that's it for now.